Do you want to know how I turn this straight shape into a curved one? Or how I wrap this pattern perfectly onto a curved object? Or even how I transfer a straight staircase into curved stairs just with one click? Let's do it together. All of this is done using the Shape Bender plugin. When working with Shape Bender, you must work along the red axis. This direction defines the bending path. If your model is aligned to the green axis in SketchUp, in this case the plugin won't work properly and you will get an error. So in this case, we simply come back and realign everything along the red axis and then it works perfectly. We also need to draw the path along which we want the shape to be bent. To get started, we first need to draw a straight reference line along the red axis, aligned with our object. Then select the object. After that, select the plugin and select the straight reference line. And finally, select the curve or path we want the shape to follow. Once we do that, the shape will adjust and follow the path automatically. And look how easily we were able to create such a beautiful and perfect staircase with this plugin. Something that would be almost impossible or very time consuming without it. And I will do the next example using exactly the same method. Sometimes it might create a shape that's a bit irregular, but we can fix it easily using the up and down keys on the keyboard. We can adjust the direction of the staircase using the left and right keys on the keyboard. And it makes the shape look really beautiful and flawless. And in this part, I want to take this pattern and convert it to follow the curved path in the building, which is mainly used for the building facade, like turning windows into a curved shape or railings used on balconies, using this plugin in this way. The way it works is exactly the same as the previous examples. See, we were able to apply the pattern very easily and beautifully, and also we could do the same on the back part as well, but to keep the video from getting too long, we won't do it right now. In this part, I want to bend the shape we have, the railing, along the ramp, and the whole process is exactly the same as in the previous two examples. If you found this video helpful up to this point, make sure to subscribe to my channel Jamshed for more tutorials like this. As you can see, we were able to easily convert these shapes into curved forms along the paths we wanted very smoothly using this plugin. And if you want free tutorials on powerful plugins like Shape Bender, make sure to subscribe to my channel Jamshed.